Here are 3 tips on how you can review your tax return and avoid costly mistakes. As a financial planner, I've reviewed many tax returns over the years. I do this because every year, I catch mistakes that could end up being very costly for my clients. So here's what you should look for before you submit your tax return. Number 1, does your adjusted gross income look right? This includes your W-2, your 1099, Schedule C, and K-1 income, as well as investment income. So you want to make sure that all of your sources of income are reflected in your AGI. One mistake I often find with AGI is how the backdoor Roth IRA contributions are reported. If you executed the popular strategy last year, make sure that you mention it to your accountant so that they report it correctly. Number 2, do your Schedule A deductions exceed the standard deduction? Schedule A of your tax return is used to report your itemized deductions, such as state and local taxes, mortgage interest, and charitable contributions. If the total of these deductions exceeds the standard deduction, then that's what you should use on line 12 of your tax form 1040. Number 3, did you overpay your Social Security tax? If you're a high-income earner and you change jobs during the year, there's a chance that you might have overpaid your Social Security tax. That's because the tax is capped after you reach a certain level of income, so you may have already maxed it out with one employer and started back at 0 with the other. If that's you, check both of your W-2s and ensure you didn't pay more than the annual limit. Look guys, these tips are certainly not exhaustive and shouldn't be taken as tax advice, but they should give you a pretty good idea of which areas of your tax return to look for. As a colleague once told me, tip your waiter, not the IRS.